Hey guys, it's me Anastasia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing Siri Picks My Slime. So here's how it works. So we have numbers of our slime ingredients, 1 through 4 or 1 through 3. And I will be asking Siri what I should pick. So let's get started. First we have our glues. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 through 4.
It's 1.
1. Okay, so we have white glue. That's enough for me. So now we're picking food coloring. So let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 through 3.
It's 3.
Okay. Okay, we have blue. So I'm gonna put in about 3 drops. 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna mix it up before I add in my next ingredient. Ooh, I like this. Slime. It's like a kind of a baby blue. It looks like it's a little light blue color. So pretty. Now we're gonna add in some accessories. I like to add in my accessories before I put in the contact solution and baking soda because it gets to stick and get into the slime more. Let's ask Siri. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 4.
It's 2.
Okay. Oh, so I got what I call the disco balls. So I like to call these the disco balls because, well, they're silver and they look like balls. So let's add them in. I feel like it gives the slime a little bit of shine, I guess. So now we're gonna add in the contact solution and baking soda. Add in a tiny bit at a time. And don't add too much baking soda or it's gonna get way too hard. You know when your slime's starting to come together when it's no longer sticking to the bowl. Guys, it's sticking off the bowl, so it's basically slime. I'm about to go in with my hands. Now if you want your slime to be less sticky, put some contact solution in your hand, rub it together, and then knead it, your slime. So it comes together more. My slime's very sticky. Ah, ooey gooey. I would say this slime's really good. My slime is super good. I love it. Now I'm gonna poke it. Hold on. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys!